Today we'll talk about how can you disable birthday reminder on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it. Then you go down, you come here to birthday reminder, just click in this sign or this color here. So then you click here on OK, or just here at time for your birthday here. Then you click on OK here. Then it's going to disable, or sorry, you click here on disable. Sorry, it's my bad. Just click here on disable, then it's going to disable with you here birthday reminder. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.